Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing power risk. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid airbag or electrical faults. Next, remove the shift knob and boot, twist or undo the retaining screw, then pry out cup holders and small trim pieces using a plastic tool so you don't scratch trim. Once done, keep all screws in a labeled tray and photograph connector positions. This saves time later. Make sure to work from front to back, so you expose the console seams and mounting bolts without forcing any clips. Now focus on the central fasteners. Open the storage bin and remove any bolts and screws securing the console base. Then, carefully disconnect every wiring harness, USB, 12V, and sensor connectors, pressing the tabs to avoid breaking clips. With connectors detached, run a plastic panel tool along the console sides to release hidden clips. Lift slowly to check for any remaining fasteners. If the console resists, double-check underneath, the carpet edges and glove box area for overlooked screws. For final removal, lift the console straight up while guiding wiring through openings so nothing gets pinched. If you feel resistance, stop and recheck connectors. Once free, inspect mounting points and the condition of clips. Clean debris and swap any snapped clips before reinstalling to ensure a snug fit. If something won't align, verify all bolts were removed and use a temporary zip tie for a broken clip only as a last resort. Finally, reconnect the battery after confirming all connectors are secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.